Market's Farm to Everything Showcase. This is a first of its kind event, and we are so happy to have you here and to bring Farm Star Living to life.
Farm Star Living is all about knowing where your food comes from, connecting with that by knowing the farmers, knowing where the food is grown or how it's sourced, but in a fun, interesting way. So Farm Star Living tries to bring all that to life.
I feel like Mary just gets it. She has really taken the time to get to know my company, get to know our products, and she understands that we're passionate about what we're doing. We can be transparent.
Well, Farm Star Living is great because it's all about good food and fresh food and healthy food, and that's what we're all about.
Farm Star Living is really committed to letting consumers know about their food, where it comes from. They're committed to the farmers who grow the food, and they're also committed to the small and large companies like ours that still work with the farmers to make sure that there is a market for their product.
We feel that it's important that consumers are aware of where our product is grown and the ethical way that we bring that product to market.